Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if Amazon keeps charging the wrong card, this one is for you. Maybe your old card expired or you just added a new one. So, Amazon doesn't always switch it automatically. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to change your default card. This works for both Amazon the app and the website in 2026. So we're gonna try and do it fast, easy as usual. Let's get started. So first thing first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go and look for Amazon Shopping app or go to the Amazon website. After this, we're gonna go to this thing, log in using your email address and password. All the way to this menu here, tap on it, then select your payments. As for now, you will be able to see multiple payment options, including your added payment cards, your reward cards, your gift cards, whatsoever. If you have more than two bank cards, you can basically tap on this one. Okay, let's for example say I have two. I'm gonna tap on the first, then make it the default card. And that's the main idea. So as I told you, find the card you want to use as default, tap it as default or edit and save changes. As for more tips, Amazon may still use a different card for subscriptions, so check those separately. So for example, if you have Prime, go all the way to Prime, check the membership here, make sure everything is looking good, and that's it. You can even basically start a 3-day trial if you want to. So, make sure the billing address matches your card details. If the option doesn't show, try switching cards during the checkout. So that's the main idea, that's it. Your default card is officially updated. No more failed payments or even surprise charges on the wrong card. So thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.